You're cruising down the open road in your RV. The world is your oyster. But what if I told you that your RV could be your ticket to financial freedom? Imagine turning your RV lifestyle into a money-making machine. Remember, the possibilities are endless when you embrace the RV life. Let's dive into the top 10 lucrative side hustles that every RV owner needs to know. Imagine being able to work from anywhere as long as you have a stable internet connection. With the rise of remote work, RV owners have the ultimate flexibility to earn a living on the road. Whether you're a software engineer, a virtual assistant, or a graphic designer, the options are endless. The beauty of remote work is that you can maintain your current career or explore new opportunities that align with your RV lifestyle. Companies are increasingly embracing remote work, opening up a world of possibilities for RV owners. From web development to customer service, the remote job market is brimming with options that can seamlessly integrate with your RV adventures. One of the key benefits of remote work for RV owners is the ability to work from anywhere as long as you have a reliable internet connection. This means you can set up your office in the scenic beauty of a national park, the peaceful serenity of a lakeside campground, or the vibrant energy of a bustling city. Your RV becomes your mobile headquarters, allowing you to explore new destinations while earning a steady income. To maximize your remote work opportunities, it's essential to have a strong portfolio, a polished online presence, and a commitment to delivering high-quality work. Many remote companies value remote workers who can demonstrate their skills, reliability, and ability to work independently. Your RV can be the perfect mobile storage unit for your online retail business. Sell handcrafted goods, vintage finds, or even dropship products straight from your RV. The freedom of the open road combined with the power of e-commerce can be a recipe for success. Starting an online retail business from your RV offers several advantages. First and foremost, your RV provides ample storage space to house your inventory, eliminating the need for a physical storefront or warehouse. This mobility allows you to source unique products, curate your offerings, and ship orders directly from your RV, reducing overhead costs and increasing your profit margins. Moreover, the RV lifestyle provides a wealth of inspiration for your product offerings. Whether you're crafting handmade items, sourcing vintage treasures, or exploring dropshipping opportunities, your travels can inform your product selection and help you cater to the specific interests of your target audience. From outdoor gear to personalized RV accessories, the possibilities are endless when you combine your entrepreneurial spirit with your RV adventures. To succeed in online retail as an RV owner, it's crucial to develop a strong digital presence, optimize your e-commerce platform, and leverage social media to reach your customers. Showcase your products, share your RV journey, and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. As an RV owner, you have the unique opportunity to offer personalized pet sitting services to other travelers. Cuddling furry friends while earning extra cash on the road brings joy and additional income. The RV lifestyle can be an ideal setting for pet sitting services, as your mobile home provides a comfortable and secure environment for our four-legged friends. RV owners often face the challenge of finding reliable pet care while on the road, and by offering your services, you can fill this gap in the market and earn additional income. To become a successful pet sitter, it's essential to create a welcoming and nurturing atmosphere within your RV. Ensure that you have ample space, appropriate bedding, and all the necessary supplies to cater to the needs of your furry guests. Additionally, it's crucial to be familiar with pet care basics, such as feeding schedules, exercise routines, and any medication requirements. Leveraging your RV's mobility, you can offer pet sitting services at various campgrounds, RV parks, or even at the homes of your clients while they're away. This flexibility allows you to reach a wider customer base and provide a unique service that caters to the specific needs of fellow RV enthusiasts. As an RV owner, you can offer landscaping and gardening services to fellow travelers, adding a touch of natural beauty to their journeys. Living the RV lifestyle offers a unique opportunity to leverage your green thumb and provide landscaping and gardening services on the road. While traditional landscaping businesses are often confined to a specific geographic area, RV owners have the advantage of mobility, allowing them to offer their services at various campsites, RV parks, and even rest areas. You can tap into the growing demand for well-maintained, visually appealing outdoor spaces along the travel routes. Fellow RV enthusiasts often appreciate the addition of lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and carefully manicured landscapes to enhance their camping experience. To succeed in this endeavor, it's important to have a solid understanding of horticulture, landscape design, and the specific challenges of maintaining plants in the variable climates encountered during RV travels. Investing in portable gardening tools, a well-stocked supply of drought-resistant plants, and a reliable water management system can help you provide high-quality services that exceed the expectations of your clients. Networking with RV park owners, campground managers, and fellow RV owners can be a valuable strategy to build your client base and secure recurring contracts. A clean and well-maintained RV is a source of pride for many RV enthusiasts. Leverage your RV knowledge and skills to offer professional cleaning and detailing services, ensuring your fellow RV owners can hit the road in style. As an experienced RV owner, you possess a unique understanding of the challenges and techniques required to keep an RV in pristine condition. This expertise can be a valuable asset when offering RV cleaning and detailing services to fellow travelers. RV owners often face the time-consuming task of maintaining their home on wheels, especially after extended road trips or extended stays at campsites. By providing a professional cleaning and detailing service, you can alleviate the burden and ensure that their RV is ready for the next adventure. From thorough interior cleaning and upholstery maintenance to meticulous exterior washing and waxing, your services can encompass a wide range of tasks that cater to the specific needs of each RV owner. Additionally, you can offer specialized services such as sanitizing and disinfecting the RV, cleaning the slide-outs, and maintaining the roof and seals. To stand out in the RV cleaning and detailing market, it's crucial to invest in the right equipment, develop efficient cleaning routines, and maintain a high standard of quality. You can become the local expert, guiding fellow RVers through hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path destinations. Your intimate knowledge of the areas you travel through can make you an invaluable tour guide, earning you extra income while sharing your passion for adventure. You have the unique opportunity to explore a wide range of destinations, from bustling cities to remote wilderness areas. Through your travels, you've likely developed a deep understanding of the local culture, history, and hidden gems that most tourists never discover. This insider knowledge can be a valuable asset when offering tour guide services to your fellow RV enthusiasts. Whether it's leading guided hikes through breathtaking landscapes, introducing RV owners to the best local eateries, or sharing the rich history of a quaint town, your tour guide services can provide an immersive and personalized experience that goes beyond the typical tourist traps. To be a successful RV tour guide, it's essential to have excellent communication skills, a passion for storytelling, and a deep understanding of the areas you'll be covering. Obviously, promote your tour guide services through online platforms, RV forums, and local tourism boards. By leveraging your RV lifestyle and your intimate knowledge of the destinations you've explored, you can turn your passion for adventure into a thriving tour guide business that complements your RV journey. You could become the go-to RV mechanic, traveling from one campground to the next, providing on-site repairs and maintenance. Your expertise and convenience can be a game changer for fellow RV owners who need reliable, on-the-road service. You've likely developed a deep understanding of the inner workings of your vehicle, from troubleshooting electrical issues to performing routine maintenance. This knowledge can be a valuable asset when offering mobile mechanic services to your fellow RV enthusiasts. The RV lifestyle often involves navigating unpredictable road conditions, encountering unexpected breakdowns, and dealing with the unique challenges of maintaining a home on wheels. By providing on-site repair and maintenance services, you can offer a conventional and reliable solution to RV owners who may not have the time, skills, or access to traditional repair shops. To succeed as a mobile RV mechanic, it's essential to invest in the right tools, equipment, and diagnostic software to handle a wide range of repairs. Promote your mobile mechanic services through RV forums, campground networks, and social media platforms. Offer competitive pricing, flexible scheduling, and a guarantee on your work to attract a loyal client base. The RV lifestyle is full of breathtaking scenery and unique experiences. Offer your skills as a professional photographer or videographer, capturing the essence of the RV life and providing lasting memories for your clients. You've likely encountered countless awe-inspiring landscapes, vibrant sunsets, and unforgettable moments during your travels. Leveraging your skills in photography and videography, you can transform these experiences into tangible memories for your fellow RV enthusiasts. Whether it's capturing stunning drone footage of a sweeping mountain vista, documenting the camaraderie of a lively RV rally, or creating a personalized video tour of a must-visit destination, your services can provide RV owners with the opportunity to preserve their cherished moments on the road. To succeed in this venture, it's essential to invest in high-quality camera equipment, develop a keen eye for composition, and stay up to date with the latest photography and videography trends. Promote your services through RV forums, social media platforms, and partnerships with RV clubs, rallies, and campgrounds. By providing professional photography and videography services, you not only earn additional income, but also contribute to the RV community by helping fellow travelers capture and preserve the memories of their journeys. How would you like to share your RV adventures with the world and get paid for it? Leverage your RV expertise to create engaging blog posts or captivating vlogs, monetizing your content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate partnerships. As an RV owner, you have a wealth of unique experiences, insider tips, and valuable insights to share with the RV community. By transforming your passion for the RV lifestyle into a thriving blog or vlog, you can not only earn additional income, but also establish yourself as a trusted voice in the industry. Successful RV-focused content creators often cover a wide range of topics, from practical maintenance and repair tutorials to inspiring travel guides and lifestyle tips. By consistently producing high-quality, engaging content, you can build a loyal following and attract the attention of RV-related brands and advertisers. To maximize your earning potential as a blogger or vlogger, consider monetizing your content through the various revenue streams such as display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even the creation of digital products like ebooks and online courses. Developing a strong social media presence, collaborating with other RV influencers, and attending RV-focused events can help you expand your reach and diversify your income sources. The key to success as an RV-focused blogger or vlogger is to consistently deliver valuable, entertaining, and informative content that resonates with your audience. Offer your home on wheels to fellow travelers, earning passive income while your RV sits idle. With the rise of peer-to-peer rental platforms, this can be a game changer for savvy RV owners. The RV rental market has experienced significant growth in recent years, driven by the increasing popularity of the RV lifestyle and the desire for more flexible and personalized travel experiences. As an RV owner, you can tap into this thriving industry by offering your RV as a rental unit and earning passive income while your vehicle isn't in use. By listing your RV on peer-to-peer rental platforms such as Outdoorsy or RV Share, you can connect with a vast network of potential renters who are seeking unique and affordable RV experiences. These platforms handle the booking process, payment processing, and even provide insurance coverage, making the rental process seamless for both you and your clients. To maximize your rental earnings, it's crucial to maintain your RV in excellent condition, provide clear and detailed listings, and offer competitive pricing that aligns with the market. Additionally, consider adding personal touches, such as welcome baskets, pre-stocked supplies, or customized itineraries to enhance the overall rental experience and encourage positive reviews and repeat bookings. By offering your RV as a rental property, you can turn your mobile home into a lucrative source of passive income, allowing you to fund your RV adventures and potentially even cover the cost of ownership altogether. The RV lifestyle offers more than just breathtaking views and endless adventures. It gives you the chance to live life on your terms while earning a living. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to fuel your travels or a full-time income on the road, these top 10 money-making jobs are your ticket to success. Ready to discover even more ways to maximize your RV experience? Check out this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.